now I have the questions that I said I have, Dr. David. Here are they. In these lists, which we are not against these lists. We are not against this list, Dr. David. I'm going to ask, where is Leslie Manyathela? Where is Teko Modise? Where is Mbulelo Mabizela, OJ, Old John Mabizela? Where is Mbulelo? Where is Jabu Pule in this list? Where is Itumele Nkune in this list? These are the questions that South Africans will ask. I'm asking you now before these questions are being asked. Where is Benny McCarthy? Is Benny McCarthy in these lists? Where is Lucas Radebe? Where is Sean Bartlett? Where are those people in this list? Maybe let's get to know where are they in this list. Anybody.
When I came with my 5, Kinkileka generation plus achievement in football. So I told a handler from that point. But when we talk of Benny McCarthy Achivile is on the same line as those one who developed football after being what you call. The other one also mention on that line ki Lucas Radebe. Lucas Radebe na Achivile. Those first group Elenko Europe, for other players to be picked or what you call scout. So how about scout is because of those who went to Europe first, then Babona or Norman. These people are talented. Let's go and check again. Go continue. The scouts were coming to South Africa to check players. Like now things are now developing again. A lot of players declare to Modi are continuing go overseas. So on that, how should Jabupule? Okay, Jabupule was talented, but now.
Are you blaming him? Are you just blaming Jabupule that he went to Austria and then he got drunk and he was found on the road and all of that? Because that has nothing to do with football.
No, it does, but it does relate to football. As a footballer, you've got a certain lifestyle that you must. Yeah, they say don't be disciplined. You can come into your work. If not, other example is Mbule. Mbule is talented, but the problem
that's a good one
is he doesn't respect his own job.
That's a good one. Sorry, Kwenga, have you ever heard of a Old John Mabizela before?
No.
You've never heard of an Old John Mabizela?
No, but I just started watching football now. Not like maybe, I think 5 years back.
Yes. Well,
So,
I have to tell you, I'm not saying anything, but there was a player called Old John Mabizela. There was a player called Leslie Manyathela. I'm just leaving it there.
And maybe if I check out maybe their nicknames, I'm gonna remember, because at that time we used to call players using their nicknames. You see, so maybe if I knew their nicknames, then yeah, I would remember. But I don't remember them now. I don't. Okay, now I'm gonna say the reason why I chose my top 5. I chose my top 5 because, like, now we are talking about the football now. So I chose amongst the players that we have now, the players that who qualified for FIFA World Cup, the players that made it to 32, the players that showed us a different football, the players that brought up football again, because football had died in South Africa. There was no longer football. When you went to watch a match there in the stadium, you would find only 10,000 people. But now everyone wants to go and watch football, because now soccer is different. It has that energy now. The players are fast. the players have skills. You see how they play differently from how we used to watch soccer. So that is how I chose my top 5. Yes.
Thank you so much, Cwenga. And Dada David, maybe before we close off, you have anything to say based off also on the questions that I've just Cwenga? I've put certain names to Cwenga, which you and Dada David may know. Just before we close off, please make just a passing comment on those names, because if we can talk about this, it can go 3, 7, 8 days. Just a passing comment on that. Dada David, and it's fine. Of all time, please do comment on this one. There was a Leslie Mayatela, there was the General Teko Modise, there was a Gift Vavavumle Remy, there was a Notimu Kwena who actually left with the Bafana Bafana, but was chased away because of other matters which are now relating to a Sipombule. There was actually once a Sipombule. There was an Opa Manyisa and Renele Lesolonyane, whom there was a debate who's actually the best midfielder at the time. There have been a lots and lots of these players. Who are the great people who shaped South African football? When we say who is the greatest, we do not forget the likes of the Kenny Nimak, people who turned around the mindset. We do not forget the likes of the Junaid Hartley. Do you remember Junaid Hartley?
That can never be the greatest player of all time, because every season we will get a different player. So I don't think we can ever agree on who's the greatest player. We can just say who is the greatest player based on your opinion.
Who is the greatest? Cwenga says there's no way we can have the greatest player. Dada Davis says there is no way we can have the greatest.
Talent is very different, and then generation is different. We can't compare them failing and saying that this one is better than that one. All the what we call the generation, they've got their own best player, and that will be that way. Let's stop comparing them in different generation. Is what I can say to footballers. Just enjoy the football. Yes. Stop, because most of the guys have retired now. How can you compare to them with the new one?
Cwenga, you are with me here. You are part of the witnesses. Dada Davis says people must stop comparing players.
Let's just football and enjoy football.
Yes. Okay. So K360. Until next time, keep on keeping on. Everyone, goodbye. See you next time. Sharp.